Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Java JDK in Windows 10. So let's see how to do it. First of all, open your favorite browser and search Java JDK. You will see first link Java downloads from oracle.com. Click on this link. Currently latest version of Java is Java 19 and Java 17. In this video I am going to install Java 8 because it comes with long-term support. For that, scroll down and you will see here currently latest version of Java 8 is 361 and download options are available for Linux, Mac OS, Solaris and Windows. Click on Windows. If you are using 32-bit Windows, download x86 installer file, and for 64-bit Windows, x64 installer file. For now I'll just download 64-bit file. Check this box and click on download button. It will redirect you to login screen. To download latest Java file, you have to log in using Oracle account. If you don't have account, then click on this create account button and create new account and log in using your username and password. For now I'll just type my username and password here. Once you logged in, it will start downloading Java installer file. I'll always recommend you to download latest version of Java using Oracle account. Once file is downloaded, open this file. Then it will start setup wizard. Keep this setting as default and click on next. It will start installing Java development kit in your system. You can change your location of Java runtime or just leave this as default and click on next. You can see your Java development kit is successfully installed. Close this box. Now I'll show you how to set Java path. Go to the file explorer, then local disk C and open program files folder. If you haven't changed the location while installation, then you will find Java folder here. Open this folder. In this folder, you will find two other folders, JDK 1.8.0 and JRE 1.8.0. We have to add this JDK folder part to the environment variable. Copy this path and then open search box and type system environment variable, and open this. Click on environment variables. Now in the system variable section, we have to create new variable name as Java home, Java underscore home, and paste path here. Now, now select path variable and click on edit button and type percentage Java underscore home percentage slash bin. This will add bin folder part to the path variable. Click on OK. To verify if Java is successfully installed or not, open command prompt and type Java version. It will show you version of Java installed in your system. If you are getting any type of error, then comment down below. And if you have found this video helpful, then like, share and hit subscribe button. Thanks for watching.